In the bustling heart of a modern metropolis, an eerily silent factory hums with relentless precision, devoid of human workers. The assembly lines, once teeming with life, are now a blur of robotic arms executing tasks with machine-like efficiency. Across the city, a financial analyst stares at a screen, her job overtaken by an algorithm that predicts market trends with uncanny accuracy. In a nearby hospital, a diagnostic AI reviews patient data, rendering doctors' second opinions obsolete. As the sun sets, a self-driving truck glides past empty bus stops, its route predetermined by an AI that never tires. In homes, digital assistants manage daily routines, further eroding the need for human intervention. Amidst this seamless integration of AI, a question lingers: what happens to the people? Where do the workers go when the machines take over? As society hurtles towards this AI-driven future, the silent yet profound upheaval in the job market begs for a deeper exploration. In the contemporary discourse on technological advancement, artificial intelligence, AI, stands as a double-edged sword. On one side, it heralds unprecedented efficiency, accuracy, and the potential for innovation. On the other, it casts a long shadow over the future of human employment. The assertion that AI poses a significant threat to human employment is not a mere alarmist view but a reflection of emerging realities and trends in the labor market. This essay will explore several compelling arguments to defend the position that AI indeed represents a substantial threat to human jobs. Automation of routine and repetitive tasks. One of the most immediate impacts of AI on employment is the automation of routine and repetitive tasks. Jobs that involve predictable, repetitive actions are highly susceptible to being taken over by AI systems. For instance, manufacturing jobs, which historically provided stable employment for millions, are now increasingly being performed by robots. According to the McKinsey Global Institute, up to 800 million global workers could be displaced by automation by 2030. This displacement is not limited to low-skill jobs. Even middle-skill jobs that involve repetitive tasks, such as data entry and basic accounting, are under threat. AI in skilled professions. Contrary to the common belief that AI will only affect low-skill jobs, skilled professions are also at risk. AI technologies, especially those involving machine learning and deep learning, have demonstrated capabilities in fields such as law, medicine, and finance. For example, AI systems can analyze legal documents faster and more accurately than human lawyers, reducing the need for junior lawyers and paralegals. In medicine, AI can diagnose diseases from medical images with a high degree of accuracy, sometimes surpassing human doctors. Financial services are also being revolutionized by AI, which can analyze vast amounts of data to predict market trends and manage investments more effectively than human analysts. As AI continues to improve, the range of tasks it can perform will expand, threatening jobs even in these high-skill sectors. Economic displacement and inequality. The widespread adoption of AI in the workplace could lead to significant economic displacement and exacerbate income inequality. As companies adopt AI to reduce labor costs, the benefits of increased productivity and efficiency are likely to accrue disproportionately to business owners and shareholders, rather than the displaced workers. This shift could result in a widening economic gap, with a small segment of the population reaping substantial benefits while a large number of workers face unemployment or underemployment. Additionally, the transition to an AI-driven economy could create new jobs that require advanced technical skills, but these jobs may not be accessible to those who have been displaced, leading to a mismatch in the labor market and further economic inequality. Impact on the service sector. The service sector, which has been a significant source of employment in developed economies, is not immune to the threat posed by AI. Customer service roles, for instance, are increasingly being taken over by chatbots and automated response systems. These AI-driven systems can handle a large volume of inquiries simultaneously and provide consistent service without the need for breaks or time off, making them an attractive alternative to human employees. Retail jobs are also at risk as AI and robotics enable automated checkout systems and inventory management, reducing the need for sales clerks and stockers. The hospitality industry, including roles such as hotel receptionists and waitstaff, is beginning to see the introduction of AI and robotic solutions that can perform many of the same tasks as human workers. Impact on transportation and logistics. The transportation and logistics sectors are poised for a significant transformation due to AI and autonomous technologies. Self-driving vehicles, including trucks, buses, and taxis, have the potential to drastically reduce the need for human drivers. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber are investing heavily in autonomous vehicle technology, and while widespread adoption may still be a few years away, the trend is clear. The trucking industry, which employs millions of drivers, is particularly vulnerable. Autonomous trucks can operate continuously without the need for rest, reducing transportation costs and increasing efficiency, but at the cost of human jobs. Similarly, warehouse operations are becoming increasingly automated, with robots capable of handling tasks such as picking, packing, and sorting goods. The gig economy and precarious work. While AI may create some new job opportunities, these are often in the form of gig work or precarious employment. The gig economy, characterized by short-term contracts or freelance work, lacks the stability and benefits of traditional full-time employment. Companies like Uber and Lyft, which rely heavily on gig workers, are also exploring autonomous vehicles, which could eventually replace human drivers. The rise of platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk, where workers perform small, repetitive tasks for minimal pay, exemplifies the kind of precarious work that may proliferate as AI automates more complex tasks. This shift could lead to a workforce that is increasingly reliant on unstable, low-paying jobs with little job security or benefits. Psychological and social impact. The psychological and social impacts of widespread job displacement due to AI cannot be overlooked. Unemployment and underemployment can lead to significant stress and anxiety, affecting mental health and well-being. The loss of meaningful work can also impact a person's sense of identity and purpose, leading to broader social issues such as increased rates of depression and social isolation. Communities that rely heavily on industries vulnerable to automation may experience economic decline and social instability as jobs disappear and local economies shrink. The pace of technological change. The rapid pace of technological change exacerbates the threat of AI to human employment. Historically, technological advancements have led to the creation of new industries and job opportunities, but the transition has often taken decades, allowing time for workers to adapt. However, the speed at which AI is advancing means that the displacement of jobs could outpace the creation of new ones. This rapid change leaves little time for workers to acquire new skills or transition to different careers, increasing the risk of long-term unemployment and economic disruption. The skills gap in education. The skills gap presents another significant challenge as AI transforms the job market. Many of the new jobs created by AI will require advanced technical skills, such as programming, data analysis, and machine learning expertise. However, the current education system is often ill-equipped to provide the necessary training for these new roles. Workers displaced by AI may find it difficult to acquire the skills needed for new job opportunities, particularly if they are older or have been in the same profession for many years. This skills gap could result in a large segment of the population being left behind as the economy evolves, leading to increased unemployment and social inequality. Policy and regulatory challenges. Addressing the threat of AI to human employment requires comprehensive policy and regulatory measures, but governments face significant challenges in this regard. Policymakers must balance the promotion of technological innovation with the need to protect workers and ensure a fair distribution of the benefits of AI. This includes developing policies that support retraining and reskilling programs, providing social safety nets for displaced workers, and ensuring that the gains from AI are shared more equitably. However, the fast pace of technological change and the global nature of AI development make it difficult for policymakers to keep up, increasing the risk of inadequate responses to the employment challenges posed by AI. Conclusion. The potential for AI to transform the world of work is immense, but it comes with significant risks to human employment. From the automation of routine and skilled tasks to the displacement of workers in the service, transportation, and logistics sectors, AI poses a multifaceted threat to job security and economic stability. The rise of precarious work, the psychological and social impacts of job displacement, and the rapid pace of technological change further exacerbate these challenges. Addressing the threat of AI to human employment requires proactive and comprehensive measures, including education and training, policy and regulatory interventions, and efforts to ensure a fair distribution of the benefits of AI. Without these measures, the promise of AI may be overshadowed by the significant and far-reaching consequences for the workforce.